Good morning, meteorologist Steve Krasnowski here with your weather briefing storm scoop update for March 4th. It is Thursday. This week is flying. 2021 and spring. I see it. Spring is coming. Now it's just a matter of can we get anything out of the time we have left. Let's take a quick outlook and then we will look at some models. I haven't done that in a while. And then we'll call it a day. Again, it's pretty boring. Not too much happening out there. This is for next week. We're going to light the torch. Spring is coming. This is through Thursday. 50s and 60s for the big cities. Both New York, Boston, and Philly. And then we have an opportunity. Next Friday will be a little bit cooler than Thursday, but 50s are still possible before a fairly decent snow threat on the weekend. This is for Boston. It is on the members for New York. Probably not Philly. The sun angle, the temps, too much playing in the way. It's not going to snow hard enough with this system if it does happen. But overall members showing the possibility of an event. We'll look into that as we grow closer. But with the fluctuations in temperatures, it wouldn't be out of the realm of possibility to have those clashes of temperatures creating some possible storm threats. So I'm not sure if I included this in yesterday's video. Quite honestly, I'm just so tired. We didn't have power for 36 hours, which was lovely. So I'm just going to roll with it again because I think it's cool. So if you've seen it already, feel free to move forward. If not, check it out. So why is it so much colder this year? This is a normal polar vortex. This is what we saw last year in 2020. This is January 29th. It's a strong, stable polar vortex. It looks like a robust donut. It's the best way of, or even a big, maybe not the best looking bagel I've ever seen. Donut's probably better. So that holds all the cold air in the Arctic regions. But this year, it looks a bit different. It's a bit wavy, much weaker. It allowed cold Arctic air to spread to lower latitudes. This allows warmer moisture air. It brought us all that rain last year. This is like the release. So, very cool. Anyway, models real quick. We'll go to the GFS. Alright, we'll use the GFS. Gives us the best long range anyway. Got a system, low pressure system moving through the four corners. Not too much precip coming out of that. Mostly rain for places like Denver. Pacific Northwest remains busy. It's been busy like I said it would and has been all year long. The possibility of a system forming here wouldn't surprise me. There's definitely a wave of sorts. But I just don't. I think it's more of this cold shot here, bringing that clash. And I also think it's reinforcing it'll keep whatever wanted to come up the North Carolina coast and South Carolina coast, the Carolinas. It'll keep it at bay. And then as you can see, just still very quiet for a good portion of the United States. As far as out as we can go right now, the 12Z is still loading. So this brings us into next week. So we'll have one more update for the week. Maybe a little idea on the pattern shifts and see if that snowstorm's still on there. Talk to you soon. Meteorologist Steve Krasnowski, Weather Briefing Storm Scoop.